Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insightful breakdowns of everyday products. Today, we're reviewing what I consider the best dry sheet mask you can get your hands on. The Onwon 100 PC's DIY white color natural spa skin fiber paper pre-cut facial mask sheets. Now you might be wondering, what makes a dry sheet mask stand out? Unlike pre-soaked masks, these come completely dry, allowing you the freedom to customize your skincare routine with your own choice of toner, essence, or serum. And with this Onwon set, you're getting 100 sheets, pre-cut and ready to use, all for a fraction of what you'd normally spend on branded masks. Let's talk first impressions. The sheets arrive compressed and compact, making storage super easy. They're perfect for travel or even for professional use in spas or salons. And when you add your liquid of choice, whether it's rose water, hyaluronic acid, or your own DIY serum blend, they expand into a full facial sheet mask in seconds. The material is soft, thin, and clings well to the contours of your face. What's really impressive here is the material itself. It's a natural fiber, free of dyes, fragrance, and any harsh chemicals. It's gentle, non-irritating, and fully decomposable, making it a good pick if you're environmentally conscious. No synthetic smell, no plastic-like texture. Just a breathable, skin-friendly mask that feels like second skin once applied. Now let's go through a quick demo-style walkthrough of how to use these. Start by cleansing your face thoroughly. Pat dry. Then, soak one of the compressed masks in your chosen serum or toner. Just a little liquid is enough for it to bloom into a full-sized sheet. Once expanded, unfold the mask carefully and apply it to your face, adjusting the pre-cut holes around your eyes, nose, and mouth. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then remove it. There's no sticky residue, so you can rinse off if you want, or just proceed with your night cream or moisturizer. One of the best parts? You're not paying for a brand name or extra packaging. You're investing in utility. Whether you want to switch up your skincare ingredients daily or share with friends or clients, this pack gives you options. And with 100 sheets, you won't be running out anytime soon. The Onwon facial mask sheets also make a great entry point for those starting to experiment with DIY skincare. You don't need a lab or a long ingredients list, just a good base serum and one of these sheets. The fit is decent for most face sizes, and the adherence is better than expected for such a minimal design. To wrap it up, here's why the Onwon 100 PC's DIY dry sheet masks stand out. Flexibility, affordability, skin-friendly materials, and no unnecessary frills. They don't claim to fix your skin overnight, but they give you the freedom to take control of your skincare in the simplest way possible. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more unbiased product insights, and drop a comment if you've used these masks or plan to. See you in the next one.